talaga sa akin. Ay, shush naman. Ay, shush naman.
Kailangan natin ng parking.
Hoy! It's so scary!
Kung matakot, ito nga, naka-Bentley pa yun nga sa kabila natin. Bakit?
Anong laban mo sa Bentley? Ako, patrol pang bago yung sa harapan mo.
Bagong car wash.
Oo naman!
Wala yan, didikit yung mga yan.
Safe, is it me and you? Do you have to be with Kuya Jadon? Or Kuya Joshua?
I wanna be with Joshua.
Okay. Sabihan tayo.
My God.
Bro said it.
Mabilis naman yung... Wala naman...
Nice shot, Ate Sofia. You hit this one and you break. Actually, we both know. Ooh! What the fuck? Alright.
Ano sila nag-isip?
Wait, take a shot out. Oh, nice one, Sid.
Oh my God!
Do it. Easy, bro.
Wait, gumagabad eh.
You touched it, man.
Uy!
Ano to? Brown fish. Blue fish.
Uy, may tumatawag.
Hello? Pinakadulo ng quiet room, yung malalaking cubicle. Galunggong. Yellow mussel. Hello? Sa dulo ng quiet room.
Lighthouse.
Uy!
Sea urchin.
Kasi nakaganon ako yun.
Sea urchin.
Pelican.
Pearl.
Ano, wait lang, boom!
10. Tama na. A river flows in you. Ito. This one.
Ayan din,
Taon na.
that one, same.
No, same. Pamingwit ng crabs.
Uy, naharangan niya.
Hindi ko na ako makita eh. Yung feather.
Swordfish.
Oo. Akin yung preps.
Ayun mo. Anchor fish. Anchor sawi.
Ano yun? Turumpo?
Hindi, ano yan? Yellow.
Black mussel.
Bro. Ay, octopus. Red fish.
Wait lang.
Talo ka na.
Okay, wait. Wait lang.
Tingnan nyo.
Wait lang.
Nanalo na sana ako pero in-stop mo daw eh.
Hindi, ako yung mananalo par.
Wait lang.
Okay, fine.
Okay, ready na.
Mo harangan.
Teka nga lang, injured ako, wag kayong ano. 1, 2, 3.
Waters.
Ayun, nakita
Oh,
mo.
you know.
River flows.
Kita na ni Sean kanina
Yung
pa.
fund eh.
Oo.
Kita na ni Sean.
No, yung ito. Okay.
Kanina ko pa hinita yung galong ko. Hindi ko masabi.
Balik siya sa'yo siya.
Wait lang ah.
Shrimp.
Swordfish.
Shrimp games. Green fish.
Green fish din.
Red fish.
Squid.
Eh, ito, ano to?
Basta
Hindi ko alam.
Hook.
Red fish. Wala, ako nung una. Ayun. Wala makita pa.
Wala makita.
Kung hindi kita si Daphne, iPad ni Daphne to. It's okay. Ka nga na.
Ako pa.
Urchin.
Wait na, back you. Lobsters.
Lobsters.
Hindi ko na talaga nasabi yung galong ko
Ay,
in my
ganito pala
life.
yung size.
10.
Okay, nakakalito siya kasi may...
Boots.
Loser! Kasama ikaw?
Sumama ka na.
Ayoko. Sige, tulorin ko mga isa pa.
Ang saya, ang saya.
Akala ko hindi mo pa nabalasan. Nabalasan na.
Ano naman itong babae ito?
Uy, pinalitan. Artista din si Sean, no?
Ha?
Uy.
Green test.
Bilis ang...
Barrel na hook.
Yung green eels.
Yung pang-troll.
Fish.
Wala mo maglalagay sa'yo ng
River,
galong.
whatever this shit is.
Galonggong!
Nasabi niyo na.
Boat. Basta yung bato, pre.
Shrimp. Galunggong.
Uy, galonggong pa.
Pelican.
Uy, come on.
Sino naghahalo nun?
Blue mussel. Blue fish.
Yung ko ano, yung muscle. Ay, yung ano rin.
Muscle
Yellow
mo.
goggles.
Octopus. Tapos yung black
Wait
black
lang, wait lang
clams.
siya. Wait lang.
Mora ang par. Crabs.
Cabs.
My fucking brain is not working. boy.
Okay, wait lang.
Oh, ito magulo.
2, 3. Feather. Yellow feather. Yellow feather. Boots.
Yung baril.
Worm. Asang pa?
Starfish. Yung saddle. Pufferfish. Ano di nagpo-process agad par?
Apat naman mo ah. Apat na. Okay na guys, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Asa yung bag ko?
Uy, di siya nakasali. Sabi niya, check daw niya isa. Tapos, let's go. Uy, kasama siya. Isa kasama siya.
Nandun in the cafeteria with Lena.
I thought you're going home.
Yan lang naman yung home niya.
Oh yeah, I forgot this is your home.
Okay. Tulong. Ay. Okay, dito ako.
Okay, game. 1, 2, 3.
Yun, yung net.
Uy. Yung telescope.
Octopus.
Isda, yung eel.
Swordfish.
Wait nga, ikaw! Barrel.
Black mussel.
Wait lang, naglalag ako.
Naglalag din ako.
Lobster.
Wait lang par. Green, ano, basta yun.
Ito, yung lalagyan.
Green fish.
Best. Tapos na po eh. Wait lang.
Galit ata si Sophia. Ay, sana ito. Ito galera to.
Same. Sigurado, hinaharangan mo yung card seat.
Hindi dapat.
Ay, malapit sa inyo.
Ang tagal lang po. Inject na to.
Wala na. Ay, pinalitan.
Ano gawin ko? Pinalitan na. Lam na, may pearl. Green na snake.
Wait lang, prinsela.
Ay, yung fish.
Oh, nauna. Uy, nauna.
Pag-ayos na,
Ay, okay.
pag-ayos na.
Shades.
Isda, yung sa Adidas.
Tatlo na lang. Hindi ako pwede matalo dito, boss. Yung green thing, yung dahon.
Yung grass daw, yung grass.
10.
10.
Uy, tent.
10.
This one, green thing.
I'm fucking blind.
Yes,
Latikan.
you're fucking blind.
Uy, lobsters.
For example, we'll get patient. Straight and then side. The edges are smooth.
Mine smells something.
Only patient. What data stores are like this. You can draw it like this. You cannot have admin. No, it should be data store to process only. Data store to process. You cannot have data store to data store or data store.
What are you doing? Take a close up.
Eh, hello.
Hello.
Delete. This guy got the system should go on.
Do again. Do again. Do again. Come. Boy, look.
I shit.
Andyan, look.
What is it? Binding. This is one model.
It's like the 360 camera where it's like this.
Do it. I just did it. Yellow. And the one down is for digital.
It's 9:52. 1 more hour till exam. How much you think you will get?
2.
For software?
Out of 20.
You.
No. Out of 20, I think I will get 5 or 10. 5 or 10.
Lion, he will get 19.
No. Yellow.
Between 10 to 15.
Yeah. No.
How much you think you'll
10.
get?
Don't ask.
Ask.
Manay, how much you think you'll get?
10 per month.
You.
Lion. See?
You.
Out of
Madiha.
20, 10. Out of
Liar.
How much?
She said 1.
These two said 5. So we'll see if they are lying or not.
We have proof. We have proof.
He said 5.
No, out of 20.
Out of 20.
25. Yeah, I mean, if it's hard, then.
Not 25.
Me, I think I will get 9.
Out of 10.
She chose the odd number.
You'll get more.
Choose the odd number.
Yeah, 9.
You'll get above 10.
No.
Stop lying.
Yeah, you know it.
My eyelashes are off. How's exam?
Huh? Oh, okay. I mixed up the answer a little bit.
How was exam?
Good. It content context mix it was very good. Yeah, I did everything.
Okay. Walang picture.
Creeper yan.
Ano?
Creeper.
Walang creeper. I want the zombie.
Creeper.
Hirap naman.
Wala, may cover pa ulit.
Alam ko na to.
It's the No, it's the burger. It's the burger. It's a burger.
Ano ba yan? Boring.
I thought I'll do something. That's it?
Tingin.
I thought I'll do something.
Bigat.
Si Lela.
Uy.
So happy I didn't wear red. I was thinking to wear. My morning was already bad. I come to bus.
Lah.
Init.
Emergency.
أرجو الانتباه هناك بلاغ عن وجود حريق في المبنى يوجد خروج من أقرب مخرج لا
Realistic. There's a fire. There's a fire. They're going into the washroom.
Ikaw, who's your multo? Your multo! Hindi na inaano mo dun sa kanta.
Kung alam ka na yan, parang sabihin mo
So long ago, my love, where did we go wrong? Too late to turn around.
Where's the laptop?
Hala, ba't ka pumasok dito?
Na! Shit. Saan ang exit?
I don't know. Doon ata. Doon ka rin naman dadaan. It's okay. It's okay.
Here.
Ano?
Yeah.
Let's take E66 Dubai, Al-Ain Road.
Sige na si Sean!
Ay! Tignan mo yung labi ko. Tignan mo yung labi ko. Kaya nga ako din ito yun.
Rate out of 10. Go, rate out of 10. 11.
Umatay na lang ako.
11.
Bye! Sakay na si Jan. Ah! Buti na lang di ako pumunta. Si Arjen! Nakakapit na to si Arjen! Tayo na may i-edit ko to. I-edit ko to. Tingnan nyo. I-edit ko to. Nahihilo ako pag pinapanood ko kayo. May kanya-kanyang entry. Si Sean kada ikot may